On average, you have about 2 minutes to get out of the house once a fire starts. And that time is precious, you need that time. So a properly installed alarm helps anybody, but also our older, community members to get out in that time and be safe.
During the holiday season of November to February, the Arlington Fire Department responded to over 300 fire calls. Smoke detectors form a key part of a home fire escape plan. Working smoke detectors alert you of fire and they provide you the opportunity to exit immediately.
Sound the Alarm is a program by the Red Cross to help people to set up smoke detectors in their homes to help with fire prevention. Every day there's about 7 people that die because of a house fire. So by having a properly installed, properly functioning smoke detector in your house, you reduce that risk in about half. The webpage where they can ask for the installation of the smoke detectors is redcross.org/NTX Homes Made Safer. Or they can call, 1-800-RED Cross, and that way they can have that information. Or at different events that we do out throughout the year. What we know nationally is that the proper installation of these alarms through the program have helped around 1,400 people to get out from fires safely. So that is, a direct relation to being able to have proper, smoke detectors in their homes.